Yawning is a natural physiological phenomenon that everyone experiences. It usually occurs when the body is tired or lacks energy. The brain attempts to regulate its internal temperature through yawning. Yawning mainly serves to cool the brain, not because of oxygen deficiency. Severe stress is also one of the causes that can make you yawn frequently. People tend to yawn more when they don't get enough sleep. If yawning is excessive, it is necessary to check your health condition. Yawning is an important signal sent by your body. If this was helpful, please support us by subscribing and liking.